Keeping baby bottles clean and germ-free is essential for your baby's health. Babies have delicate immune systems and are more vulnerable to germs and bacteria, which can cause digestive problems. Here are several safe and effective ways to sterilize baby bottles and help parents keep their little ones protected. Start by thoroughly washing baby bottles using warm water and mild, baby-safe soap. Clean all parts of baby bottle using a bottle brush. Rinse each piece well to remove any soap residue and making sterilization more effective. Now to sterilize, fill a clean pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Carefully add your baby bottle parts, including the bottle, the nipple, and the rim. Using a clean pair of tongs, move the pieces around to ensure they are fully coated and evenly sterilized. After that, turn off the stove and carefully remove the items with the tongs. Place them on a clean paper towel and allow them to air dry completely before use. All-in-one sterilizer and dryer uses steam to eliminate bacteria and sterilize baby bottles to keep them ready for use. To use, place the unit on a flat, heat-safe surface and remove the lid, accessory tray, and lower rack. Use the included measuring cup to add the correct amount of water to the heating plate in the base. Reassemble the racks and load the bottles upside down on the lower rack. Place smaller parts, such as nipples and collars, on the accessory tray. Plug in the unit and select the cycle you want, such as sterilize only, dry only, or the automatic sterilize and dry function. Allow the machine to complete the cycle without opening the lid, and wait a few minutes after it finishes to let the steam settle. Open the lid carefully, remove the sterilized items, and let them cool. This method effectively sterilizes the bottles with minimal effort. Ultra UV 3-in-1 sterilizer, dryer, and storage box is an effective and convenient way to sterilize baby bottles. It comes with 2 removable racks that can be adjusted or removed to fit larger bottles or bowls. The sterilizer has touch keys for sterilizing, drying, a combination of both, and storage mode to keep items sanitized. To use, simply place bottles, spoons, bowls, or other items inside the racks. Then select the desired mode, and the sterilizer will keep everything safe and clean. When the cycle is complete, a beeping sound alerts you, and the UV light visible through the door confirms that sterilization is complete. This 3-in-1 device is convenient, efficient, and reliable for keeping baby feeding items hygienic. By using these methods, you can keep your baby's bottles clean and safe from harmful germs and promotes their health.